my laptop open by the window seat, steam on the counter, and no one's rushing me. My branch is on the screen, my code runs clean today. You stir one sugar in and smile like that's okay. I've been chasing bugs all week, now the world moves slow. One more sip, one more save, let the afternoon go. Coffee store, slow burn, let the whole day turn. Coffee store, slow burn, I can finally learn. You and me, no lie, one more little bite. Coffee store, slow burn, everything feels right. Fix the broken line, you fix my restless mind. Tiny wins in the margin, we leave the noise behind. My tab is all tabs now, your laugh is open source. We trade a little silence, then drift back to the course. I've been chasing bugs all week, now the world moves slow. One more sip, one more save, let the afternoon go. Coffee store, slow burn, let the whole day turn. Coffee store, slow burn, I can finally learn. You and me, no lie, one more little bite. Coffee store, slow burn, everything feels right. Maybe that's enough for today. A warm cup, a clear screen. No big speech, no grand plan, just the calm between. Coffee store, slow burn, let the whole day turn. Coffee store, slow burn, I can finally learn. You and me, no lie, one more little bite. Coffee store, slow burn, everything feels right. Yeah. You slide me the corner seat, screen glow on my sleeves, backlog in a little pile, steam in my jeans, your name on the paper cup, mine on the merge request, two tabs open, one small smile, this place knows best. I breathe in slow, let the hours drift, line by line, I let it fit. Code and cold brew, code and cold brew, we take it slow.